please remember, when you are adding your mixed numbers, do not forget about the whole number. That's the biggest thing that we're adding into this problem. So let's do our second example. 1 3/8 plus 6 3/4. Step number 1. Let's make our equivalent fractions with common denominators. Bring over that whole number so we don't forget about them. Remember, I don't want to find whole numbers curled up in the corner in a fetal position crying because we've forgotten about them. I only have so many boxes of tissues. So with the denominators of 8 and 4, what should I use for my common denominator? What do you think? 8. Let's use an 8. How do I get from 8 to 8?
Times 1.
If I multiply the bottom by 1, what do I do to the top? And 3 times 1 is? 3. Down on the bottom fraction, how do I get from 4 to 8?
2 times 2.
Multiply by 2. If I multiply the bottom by 2, what do I do to the top?
Multiply by 2.
And 3 times 2 is?
6.
6. I now have common denominators. Let's go ahead and add our fractions. 3/8 plus 6/8 is? Ariana? 9/8. Add your whole numbers. Don't leave them in the corner.
7.
Nobody leaves baby in the corner. 6 plus 1 is 7. I now have a mixed number with an improper fraction. 7 9/8.
Mrs. Schools, I gotta keep going. Just can't even say hello. How's it going? How's your little sweetheart doing?
Right, so we have 7 9/8. My 9/8, my improper fraction, how do I change that to a mixed number? Let's replace that 9/8. Luke.
Since the 9 is over the 8, you add a whole to 7 to make 8 to make 7 eighths, and the leftover 9 turns to 1/8.
Okay, my 9/8, I'm going to change that. I'm going to replace that with the mixed number of 1 1/8. So my 7 plus the 1 1/8 is then 8 1/8.